I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. I've been at this location for 38 years and all we work on is classic cars. I have a piece of information that might be useful to you when you're buying tires for your classic car. If you're buying a tire for your classic car, you want to pay attention to the date that's on the tire. You'll look at this DOT rating and get over to this part of it and you'll see some lettering. But when you get to these four numbers, this tells the age of the tire. So this tire with the 26 was made on the 26th of a certain month, but the report number is this 14 because it was made in the year 2014. If you have a classic car and for instance your tires are out of date and hard to find, you may buy a set of tires that have been on a shelf for 5 years, and when you get them back you find that the date is 5 years older than the current date. Pay attention to the date on your tires to make sure that your tires are fresh.